Did you know that chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid? This incredible property makes them perfect for a delightful and nutritious dessert. Try this simple recipe for coconut mango chia pudding today. All you need is coconut milk, chia seeds, and ripe mango. Start by combining 1 cup of creamy coconut milk with 1/4 cup of chia seeds in a bowl. Stir well to avoid clumping and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This crucial step allows the seeds to swell and create that signature pudding texture. Afterward, mix in a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup for a touch of natural sweetness. Imagine a creamy, tropical dessert that not only satisfies your cravings, but also keeps you satiated and nourished. Next, pour the mixture into serving glasses and refrigerate for at least an hour or overnight for the best results. Once set, top with diced mango and a sprinkle of shredded coconut for an extra burst of flavor and texture. This pudding not only tastes amazing, but is also packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins. Would you try this? It's an easy way to incorporate healthy ingredients into your diet while satisfying your sweet tooth. What's your favorite healthy food hack?